Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this 1991 Chevy Suburban. The first step is going to be popping the hood and releasing the latch and lifting the hood up. Next, we take our 1/2-inch socket, a long extension, and our ratchet and loosen the battery hold-down bolt. Once the battery hold-down bolt's removed, loosen and remove the negative battery terminal, and then loosen and remove the positive battery terminal. Lift the old battery out, insert the new battery, and repeat the steps in reverse order, attaching and tightening the positive battery terminal, then the negative battery terminal, and finally the battery hold-down bolt. And then tighten down the battery hold-down bolt. Well, that's it. We replaced the battery on the 1991 Chevy Suburban. If you know somebody with an older style Suburban, make sure to share this video with them. This might help them out if they don't know how to change a battery. As always, thank you for liking the video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be sure to answer them there. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.